Hi everyone, this is Krishna Ram, Maths IT faculty. Last test we discussed functions, function definition and image, free image, domain, codomain, range. Now in this aim, second aim we have to discuss types of functions. Types of functions. Here first one is one function or injective function. Injective function. Second one is many one function. Many one function. Third one is onto function. Onto function. And fourth one is into function. Into function. And fifth one is bijection or bisective function. Okay, each and everything we have to explain. Now first one is one function. One or injective function. Injective function. Okay, listen, each and everything we have to explain elaborately. Okay, see here. What is one function? One function is, see here, first you have to see here. This concept understand means thereafter I will explain the definition. This is A, set B. Set A having elements 1, 2, 3. Set B elements having A, B, C, D. Now 1 is mapping A and 2 is mapping B and 3 is mapping C. C. Okay, right here, this is a relation F. F is mapping from A to B. It is a relation first, not function. If it is a relation from A to B, F is mapping from A to B is a relation first. Here, one function means 1 is mapping A and 2 is mapping B and 3 is mapping C. D is not mapping any elements. Okay, here different elements mapping different elements in B. Different elements of set A is mapping different elements of set B. Understand? Here F is mapping from A to B is said to be one function. Then different elements of domain having different images. One image is A, two images B, three images C. Understand clearly? Once again listen. F is mapping from A to B is said to be one or injective function. Different elements of set A having or different elements of domain having different images in codomain. Different images in codomain. Then F is mapping from A to B is said to be one function. Okay, understand clearly? Now here when it is possible one function. Here number of elements of set A is less than or equal to number of elements of set B only possible. Here less than, see here 1, 2, 3, here 3 elements, here 4 elements, then it is one function is possible. Suppose here 3 elements, D is not given, then this is also possible. Suppose here 2 elements as given means it is not possible. Okay, right here definition, F is mapping from A to B is said to be one function. One function. Then different one function. Different elements of domain. Domain having different images in codomain B. Then okay, F is mapping from A to B is said to be one function. Then different elements of domain having different images in codomain. This is one function. Then it is possible one function means n of A is less than or equal to n of B. Okay. Now see here, after we discuss one by one, now see here one function. How many 1 functions is possible from A to B? See here, n of A is equal to r elements, n of B is equal to n elements you have to take. A to B, how many functions are possible means NPR. P means permutations. Okay, right here. NPR, this formula n factorial by n minus r factorial. Here factorial you don't know, see here. N factorial is notation n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into up to so on. 3 into 2 into 1. Suppose here 1 factorial is 1, 2 factorial is 2 into 1, 3 factorial is 3 into 2 into 1. Now you know that 5 factorial means here 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Now here n factorial, you know that how it is writing. Suppose here n of A is equal to 3 elements, n of A is equal to 3 elements, n of B is equal to here 4 elements. Now how many functions are possible? 1 functions are possible means here 4p3. 4p3 means here 4 factorial by 4 minus 3 factorial. Here 4 factorial is write as 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 by 4 minus 3 1 factorial. Then here 4 3 is 12, 12 2 is 24 by 1 factorial is 1. 24 1 functions are possible. Understand clearly? This is a 1 function. Now second one, many 1 function. Many 1 function. 1 function are injective function. Now many 1 function. Second one is many 1 function. See here, many 1 function. F is mapping from A to B is said to be many 1 function. Here in domain at least 2 elements having same image, 2 or more elements having, here suppose D also there, do D, or otherwise here 4 also there, here D also there. Now see here, 2 or more than 2 elements having same image in codomain, then F is mapping from A to B is said to be many 1 function. See here, f of 1 also its image here, and f of 2 also B, and f of 4 also B, its image is B. That means here these 2 elements having same image. In domain 2 or more than 2 elements having same image in codomain, then F is mapping from A to B is said to be many 1 function. Okay, this one, see here. F is mapping from A to B is said to be many 1 function. Then in domain 2 or more than 2 elements having same image in codomain, then F is mapping from A to B is a many 1 function. Understand? This is the many 1 function. Next one is onto function. Understand? This is many 1 function. Now onto function. Onto function, another name is surjective function. Injective means 1, onto means surjective function. See here, let A and B are 2 functions, 1 2 3 4, here A B C, A B C 3 elements has given. Okay, F is mapping from A to B is said to be onto function. In codomain each and every elements having at least one pre-image in codomain. Free image, one its pre-image is A its pre-image is 1, B it's a pre-image 2, and C it's a pre-image 3 and 4. Once again listen, F is mapping from A to B is onto function. In codomain, each and every element having at least one free image in codomain, in the domain. Then F is mapping from A to B is said to be onto function. See here, onto function. F is mapping of A to B is said to be onto function. Said to be onto function or surjective function. Then it's a codomain. Then it's a codomain. Every element having at least one free image in domain. Then F is mapping from A to B is said to be onto function. Okay, see here one more example. 1 2 3. Here this is 1 or A. This is also onto function. It has at least one free image in domain. Then see here, when it is possible onto function means n of A is greater than or equal to n of B. Here n of A greater than, onto one function means n of A is less than or equal to n of B. Now see here, how many functions are onto functions are possible from A to B? See here, n of A is equal to m elements and n of B is equal to n elements. Then A to B, the number of onto functions is sigma r is equal to 0 to n minus 1 power r ncr n minus r whole power m. This is the binomial expansion. You can expand this one, means 0 means nc 0, here 0, this is here minus 1 for 0 means 1. That's why this is positive nc 0, n minus 0 power n minus nc 0, here n power m minus nc 1. Here 1 means here this is minus, then nc 1, here n minus 1 power m plus nc 2, n minus 2 power m up to so on. Suppose here n of A is equal to n elements and n of B is equal to n of A is equal to n elements, n of B is equal to 2 elements we can take here. Here n of A, actually here n of A is equal to m instead of we can take n and n instead of take 2. Now see here n instead of we can take 2, 2c0, here 2 power m, here 2c1, here 2 minus 1 power m instead of n you can write here. Here also n. nc2, n minus 2 means 0. No, not possible afterwards. Here 2c0 is equal to 1. ncn also, nc0 also 1. Then 2 power n minus, this is 2 minus 1 means 1 for n, 1. Then this is 2. When n of A is equal to n elements, n of B is equal to 2 elements, the total number of onto functions from A to B is 2 to the power of n minus 2. This is onto functions or surjective functions. Now into function. Into function. What is into function? Into function means this is A, this is B, two functions A, B, 1, 2, 3, here A, B, C, D, here A, B, C, D. Okay, right here. Okay, here into function means here F is mapping from A to B is said to be into function. Here in codomain, at least one element not having pre-image in domain. At least one element is not having pre-image in domain. That function is called the into function. That means a function is not a onto function, means that function is called the into function. F max from A to B is said to be into function. Then it's a domain, your codomain, at least one element not having, at least in codomain, at least one element not having pre-image in domain. Then F is mapping from A to B is said to be into function. Into total number of into function from A to B means here NC1, see here NC1 n minus 1 power m minus NC2 n minus 2 power m plus NC3 n minus 3 power m up to so on. This is total number of into functions from A to B. This concept completed. Next one is last function is bisective function or bijection function. What is bisective function means? A function both 1 1 and onto that function is called the bisective function. Both 1 1 function is both 1 1 or injective and surjective and onto, then F max from A to B is said to be bijective. A function both 1 1 and onto, then F max from A to B is said to be bijective function. Now we have to discuss some problems. Okay, challenges. First question: if A is equal set of 1, 2, 3 and B is equal set of 1, 2, 3, 4, then find the number of possible 1 1 functions from A to B. See here, first n of A is equal to how many elements as given? 3 elements. And n of B is equal to how many elements as given? 4 elements. Now n of A is less than n of B. When it is possible 1 1 function, n of A is less than or equal to n of B, then it is possible 1 1 functions. Now here n of B, P n of A, number of 1 1 functions. Then here 4p3 is write as 4 factorial by 4 minus 3 factorial. Here 4 factorial is how much? By 1 factorial. 4 factorial is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24. Answer is 24 1 1 functions. Now we have to try at home. Second one, if A is equal to same question, here I changes this one. A is equal to set of A, B, C and B is equal to set of 1, 2. Then find how many number of possible 1 1 functions are possible. Same questions, but here I changed A and B only. Now how many possible? See here simple. Here n of A is equal to 3. N of B is equal to how many elements here? 2 elements. It is possible n of A is greater than n of B. N of A is greater than n of B. Then it is possible 1 1 functions? It is not possible. That's why you can write 0. This is the answer. Next question, third one. If A is equal to set of A, B, C and B is equal to set of 1, 2, 3, then find the number of 1 1 functions, possible 1 1 functions from A to B. This one also homework, you have to do it. Next one, third one. If A is equal to, fourth one, if A is equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and B is equal to set of A, B, C, D, then find the number of possible functions from A to B. Here number of functions means here n of A is equal to how many functions? 5 numbers and n of B is equal to 4. Here total number of functions from A to B is n of B power n of A. N of B is equal to 4 power 5. 4 power 5 is simple, you can write here 2 square 4 whole power 5 is equal to 2 to the power of 2 5 is 10. 2 per 10 1 GB. 1024. 1024 functions are possible. Note down. Next, fifth question state whether the following functions are 1 1 or not. First one is f is mapping from R to R is defined as f of x is equal to 2x minus 3. See here, this problem you have to do two methods. Here x1 comma x2 belongs to R. x1 comma x2 belongs to R you can take here. Then here f of x1 is equal to f of x2. f of x1 is equal to f of x2. Then here see here f of x1 is equal to f of x2 means here this is 2x1 minus 3 is equal to 2x2 minus 3. Then 3 cancel either side. 2x1 is equal to 2x2. Then 2 also cancel either side. x1 is equal to x2. See here how it is means. Here x1, here x2. x1, x2 both elements. Here this is 2x1. Here minus 3. This is 2x2 minus 3. Here both images equal. This both images equal. Then this two also equal. See here different elements having different images. But here x1 is equal to x2 means both having same image. Same image means here 2x1 also 2x1 minus 3 also equal to 2x2 minus 3. Both are equal here left right hand side. Here in domain also both elements are equal. That means here different elements having different images. Okay, that's why f is 1 1 from R to R. Or otherwise if you don't know this like means you can write here f of 1. f of 1 means 2 into 1 2 minus 3 is equal to minus 1. Next f of 2 you can write here 2 into 2 4 4 minus 3 4 minus 3 1. f of 3 you can write here 2 3s are 6 6 minus 3 3. Next 0 you can write here 0 means 2 into 0 0 minus 3 minus 3. Next minus 1 you can write here 2 ones are minus 2 minus 2 minus 3 minus 5. Next f of minus 2 you can write here f of minus 2 means 2 into 2 4 4 minus 3 7. Now you can check it is here different elements having different images are not same. See here 1 minus 1 3 minus 3 5 minus 5 minus 7. Here total are different elements. Here different images also. That's why different images different elements having different images. Or otherwise you can represent arrow diagram. Here 1 2 3 0 minus 1 minus 2. In this set minus 3 minus 5 minus 7 1 2. See here different elements having different images. That's why f is 1 1. Now see here clearly f of x is equal to x square as given. That means f of x means you can take y is equal to x square. Then x square is equal to under root y here. Or otherwise see here this is 1 1 function or not. How we know that? Here f of 1 you can write here 1 square is 1. f of minus 1 you can write here minus 1 square also plus 1. Now clearly we know that this is not 1 1 function. Why? Because here 1 minus 1 here this is 1. Here both elements having same image. You can take 2 minus 2 also it has 4. Okay, that's why this is not different elements different images. That's why here second one is therefore two elements having same image 1. Therefore f is not a 1 1. This is second one. Note down. Next third one. Next third one is f is mapping from closed interval 0 to infinite here stands to R is defined as f of x is equal to x square. This is 1 1 function or not we have to check here. Here this is 0 to infinity plus infinity you can take any number also. And this one is R means here minus 1 minus 2 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 any number also you can take it is here up to minus infinite to plus infinite with fractions also. Now see here only you have to take input values only positive, 0 to plus infinite. Then 0 to plus infinite means here f of 0 is equal to 0 square is equal to 0. F of 1 you can write here 1 square 1. F of 2 is equal to 4. F of 3 is equal to 9. Here different elements having different images from in this interval. That's why it is a 1 function. Therefore f is 1 function. Different elements having different images in this interval only. Suppose here before problem R has given. R means here negative numbers having negative and positive same numbers having same image. -1 plus 1 having same image. But here only positive numbers including 0. That's why different elements having different images. Then the given function is 1 function. Note down. Next is problem. F is mapping from R2 is defined. R2 are defined as f of x is equal to x, where x is greater than or equal to 2 and 5x minus 2 if x is less than or equal to 2. So here two conditions as given. F of x is equal to here x. Then x is greater than or equal to 2 means here x is equal to next 3, 4, 5. You can take any number also. Next one is 5x minus 2. Then x value, which value you have to take here? X is equal to, you can take from 2 onwards, 2 and 1 and 2, 1, 0, minus 1 up to so on. You can take any number also. Now you can check it is here. First one, f of x is equal to x. F of x is equal to x means you can take from 3. 3 means here 3, 4 means 4. Okay. Here 3 means 3 and 4 means 4 and 5 means 5. Here same elements. Same elements. Okay. Now f of x is equal to, second one is 5x minus 2. 5x minus 2 means you can take here f of 2. 2 means here 2 5s are 5 into 2 minus 2. 2 5s are 10. 10 minus 2 8. Next f of 3 you can take. F of 3 means 5 3s are 15 minus 2 13. Next f of 4 you can take here 4 into 3 here 12. Here 12 means here 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12. 12 minus 12 0. Now see here 5 5 6 6 7 comma 7 and 8 comma 8. Okay. Now see here you can write here this is from number 2 onwards 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 up to so on. Now here code domain you can take it is here. Here listen, 2 is mapping 8. 2 is mapping 8. Next here 8 also mapping 8. See here 2 elements having same image in code domain. That's why given function is not a 1 function. See here 2 functions has given x1 and 5x minus 2. Here x is starting from 3 4 5 6 7 up to so on. Here x is 2 minus 1. Sorry here by mistake I written here 2 next 1 only, not 5. Here f of 1 you can take is here. F of 1 means 5 into 1 minus 2 is equal to 3. 3. Now you can take here enough. Here minus infinity to up to here 2 0 1 2. Next one is here 3 4 5 up to so on. These numbers. Now here 3 is mapping 3. In this function 1 is mapping 3 also. 1 is mapping 3 also. That means in domain 2 elements having same image. Here in this function is started 2 1 0 up to so on. 2 1 0 minus 1. Here 1 is mapping 3. Here also 3. These 2 elements having same image. That's why given function is not a 1 function. Note down. Okay, next 7th one, state whether the following functions are 1 or not. We have to check here. F is mapped from A to B is defined as f of x is equal to 3x minus 2, where A is equal to set of 1 2 3 4 5 and B is equal to set of 1 4 7 10 13. See here f of, first you can take 1 in domain. Actually first you can write here f of x is equal to 3x minus 2. Now you can write here 1 means here 3 into 1 minus 2 is equal to 3 1 3 minus 2 1. Next f of 2 you can write here 3 into 2 minus 2. 3 2s are 6, 6 minus 2 4, next 3 f of 3 into 3 minus 2, 9 minus 2 7, next f of 4 3 into 4 12 minus 2 10, next f of 5 3 into 5 minus 2, 3 5s are 15 minus 2 13. See here now 1 4 7 10 13 all elements belongs to set B, therefore belongs to set B. That's why here different elements having different images. Okay, therefore f is 1 function. Same this like one more problem I will give. Do it this one. Now second one, f is mapping from A to B defined as f of x is equal to x square minus x minus 2, where A is equal to minus 1 0 2 5 6 11 and B is equal to minus 2 minus 1 0 18 28 and 1 up to 8. Here you can take f of x is equal to x square minus x, f of x is equal to x square minus x minus 2. Thereafter you can substitute here x instead of minus 1 0 2 5 6 11. Here different elements having different images, that images belongs to this set B means then this is a 1 function. If both are not coincide means you can write here given function is not a 1 function. Okay, you can try at home this problem. If you don't means next time you can ask. Okay, now state whether the following functions are 1 or not. First one is f of x is equal to x square plus 1. Here minus 2 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 2, where x belongs to z as given. Now you can write here z here minus 2 minus 1 0 1 1 comma 2 belongs to z. Now f of x is equal to x square plus 1. Now f of minus 2 you can substitute here minus 2 square plus 1, minus 2 square 4 plus 1 5. Next f of minus 1 square plus 1 is equal to 2. Next f of 0 square plus 1 is equal to 1. Next f of 1 square plus 1 is equal to 2. Next f of 2 is equal to 2 square plus 1 is equal to 5. Now you can write here minus 2 minus 1 0 1 2. Here this one is 1 2 1 2 5 1 2 5. Here minus 2 is mapping 5 and minus 1 is mapping 2 and 0 is mapping 1 and minus 1 also plus 1 mapping 2 and this is 5. That's why here each and every element having 2 images. That's why this given function is not a 1 function. Why? Because it has 2 images, each and every elements minus 2 and plus 2. Actually this function is even function. Even functions are not 1 functions. Okay, even functions are many 1 functions. Okay, next second one, f of x is equal to x square minus x plus 5. Here 0 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 5. That means here 0, next 1 2 3 4 5 is belongs to z. As it is before problem how we did same as it is, you have to do it at home this problem second one. And this is third one I will explain. Here f of x is equal to x square plus 1. Here x is greater than or equal to 1. It means here 1 2 3 4 up to so on. Next here x is lies between 0 and 1 and 0 and 1 you can write here 0 and 1. Here r to r means you can write any number also. Here x is less than or equal to 0 means 0 and minus up to minus infinite up to so on minus 1 and 0 you can take here. Now f of x is equal to x plus 1 you can write here. X plus 1 means f of 1 you can write here. F of 1 is equal to here 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. F of 2 you can write here 2 means here 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. F of 3 you can write here 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Now second function you can take f of x is equal to 3x minus 3 minus x. Now you can write here f of 0 you can write here 3 minus 0 is equal to 3. Okay, next f of 1 you can write here 3 minus 1 is equal to, next one you can write here f of x is equal to 3 plus x. F of, here write here 0, 3 plus 0 is equal to 3. F of minus 1 you can write here, 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Okay, where it is? Duster. Okay, now see here, you can observe clearly, f of 1 its image is 2, here f of 1 its image is 2, correct, both are same. Here f of minus 1 image also 2, that's why f of 1 is equal to f of minus 1 image is 2. That's why this is not possible, it is not a one function. F of 0 also 3, here f of 0 3, no problem, but this is f of 2 also 3. That's why f of 2 is equal to f of 0 is equal to 3. Both images are equal. That's why given function is not a one function. Note down. Okay, thank you children. Next week you have to watch remaining problems. Okay, thank you once again.